This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Okay, थोड़ा slow है. Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our online electrical course. So yesterday we are continue going to cable tray trunking and cable ladder. So our topic is cable tray trunking and cable ladders. So yesterday we are talking about the sizes of cable tray trunking and cable ladder. Sizes of cable tray trunking and ladder. Okay. So today our topic is types of cable tray bend and sharp. Okay, types of cable tray bend. How many types of cable tray bends? Why we need to bends in cable tray bends? So today discussing about this one. So cable tray bends, we need to make the route in one direction to another direction. We need to cable tray bends for make the cable tray route one direction to another direction, reverse, changing. Okay, so we can, if we can changing the direction of the cable route, right to left, left to right, down to up, that time we can using in cable tray bends and fittings. Okay, so your suppose example, your cable tray route is coming straight position, and then you want to change the position of the route, right to left or left to right or down to up. That time we need to H per direction fittings. So we have the 10 types of fittings. 10 types of fittings we have. H per our direction, we can want to change the direction. Same like that, we have the 10 types of changing direction we can. So first is horizontal 90. Horizontal 90, first one is. Second one, vertical 90, inner and outer. Vertical 90, inner and outer. Next one is offset 45 down. Offset 45 down. And another offset 45 up. And equal T and reducer T. Bridge type bend. Bridge type. Four-way equal and reducer four-way. Okay, so side reducer and center reducer, we have the 10 types of bends. So I will explain one by one why we need to bend and which types of bend we're using. We can discussing today about this one. Okay, so this is the horizontal 90 elbow. Horizontal 90 elbow, this one is. This is always coming in 90 degree. 90 means 90 degree, not in 45. Okay, so this is always coming right to left or left to right. If your cable tray route you want to divert, changing right to left side or left to right side, any position, that time we can using in horizontal 90. This is the horizontal 90. Suppose your route is coming like that and you can change the route in left side. You can using in this one. Your route is coming like that and you can change in right side. You can using in this one. Okay, so we have the horizontal 90. This is horizontal 90. You see, this is the straight 90 is coming here. Here to here. So if you make to, your route is coming downside to straight, or this position to your route is coming, you make the down. Okay, that time we can using in horizontal 90. This types of 90. We can make the 90 and make this one. If you make the like that, any types of direction, where do you want to change? Right to left or left to right? We can using in horizontal 90. If the direction is changed in cable tray route, right to left or left to right, we can using in horizontal 90. This kinds of 90. This is made by hand, and this is the original fittings. This is coming from company, but sometimes some project have you can made by your hand, so we can made like that 90. So this have the formula. I will explain about this one. This is also practical. Okay, so this is ready-made bends. This is coming by company. Some project we can using in ready-made bends, and some project you can made by your hand. It's use formula and make this one. So this formula also have. I will explain later. So horizontal 90 elbow always coming right to left or left to right. Right to left or left to right. Cutting part is base to height. So every cable tray trunking ladder have two base. One height type base and another is bottom type base. So we can using in H for this one. Suppose this is your cable tray, this is base and this is height. Okay, this is your base and this is height. So in horizontal 90 cutting part is base side. This is base side, not in height side. We can not cutting in height side, only bend in height side, but cutting in base side in B cutting. Okay, this is your base. Care about this one. Most important is cutting part in cable tray. Most important thing. So always horizontal 90. If you make the horizontal 90, you should be cutting in base to height. First you cutting base and then after height. Always, always. So this is the part of the base and this is height. Okay. So horizontal 90 always cutting part is base to height. Base to height. So these are the ready-made bends, and some project we cannot find in ready-made bends. That time we can made in your hand to like that bends. This is cutting part is coming two types. You see here have already cutting and joint there. Here is joint, okay? Cutting and joint. This base side cutting, not in cutting height side. You can see here height side is not cutting. Not cutting in height side, only base side cutting. You can check this one. Height side is same like that, both side. Only cutting in base side, and we can joint use the screw, not bolt. Okay, so this is the horizontal 90. So in this flat, you can remember horizontal 19 using for if your cable tray route is make right to left or left to right. That time we can using in horizontal 90 elbow. And horizontal 90 elbow always cutting part is base to height. Only two things you can clear about this slide. And this is the diagram of horizontal 90. This is ready-made, and another if ready-made no have, we can made by our hand. So we can using in formula that times. So this chapter is coming later. I will explain about this one. Okay, clear? Writing in your notebooks, okay? Important topics. I am already told cable tray is important topics in electrical section. And next one. inner vertical 90 and outer. Inner vertical 90 in and out. In vertical 90 inner and outer. So we have the another types of 90 also. This is horizontal 90. Now vertical 90. Vertical 90 is two types. Inner and outer. Okay. Vertical 90. Okay. In vertical 90, inner and outer. Always cutting part is height to base. We can always cutting in. This is height to base. If you make the inner 90 or outer 90, that time we can cutting part is coming height to base, but horizontal 90 base to height. Okay. So this is the inner vertical 90. This one is inner vertical 90. And this is outer vertical 90. Okay. So this is outer and this is inner. Two types of vertical 90, inner and outer. Okay. So we can made by hand like that. This is the outer. This is outer. So always cutting is height part. You can see before no cutting in height part. Now here you can see in cutting in height part. This also both height base side is no cutting. You can see base side is not cutting. Only height side is cutting. And we can using in screw and nut bolt. Okay. So in vertical 90, always cutting part is